Hey guys, mechanical keyboards have been around for a while, but with the increase in demand for PCs, these products had to be made more affordable. As with everything that has to be made affordable, keyboards had to lose some of their features like durability and ease of use. However, some people still use mechanical keyboards because of their many advantages. There are a number of options on the market, which makes it difficult to choose the best one. In this video, we compiled a list of the top 5 best mechanical keyboards for typing on the market today. Be sure to watch till the end for our best recommendation. If you want more information or updated pricing on the products mentioned here, check out the links in the description below. If you have another product you'd like us to review, let us know by leaving a comment. So without further ado, let's get started. First we have Editor's Pick, Plugable Mechanical Keyboard. As per user reports, this keyboard gives a good build and look for the price it comes with. The switches are responsive and it has a good, comfortable feel to it. It also has a very audible sound response, so you should make sure it is something you can work with. Its pros are full N-key rollover switches, tested for 50 million keystrokes, durable double-shot ABS keycaps, removable keycaps for easy cleaning, good tactile response and auditory feedback. However, higher price than others of the same category. Bottom line is, the keys offer smooth feedback, it's designed to be ergonomically comfortable, and it's made to last for many years. Next we have Best Mechanical Keyboard for Typing and Gaming, Razer Blackwidow Ultimate. Razer uses its own build key switches which have been designed for more speed and better response time. All keys have individual controls for programmable RGB lighting. These lights are controlled via a Razer Synapse software that controls things like breathing, ripple, wave, starlight, and more. Its pros are a smudge-free top casing, has a 2-year limited warranty, the durability of up to 60 million keystrokes. Programmable backlit keys give complete control over lighting. Uses Razer mechanical switches designed specifically for gaming. However, some have complained about the keycaps falling off. Bottom line is, it's the best mechanical keyboard for typing and gaming, and the backlit keys can be individually programmed. It's very durable and can handle up to 60 million keystrokes. Next we have Best for the Money, VELOCIFIRE TKL02. Users state that this keyboard has a very comfortable and durable design like you would expect from a good quality mechanical keyboard. The added wireless ability means no more long and tangled wires. This further improves usability. The key response time is very fast and you might have to get used to that. Its pros are adjustable white backlight, uses high-quality aluminum, lightweight and compact design, uses tactile brown switch button. Curved keys make for an ergonomic keyboard. However, not compatible with Windows. Bottom line is, this keyboard is best for the money because the keys are made to create little noise and it's designed for long-hour usage. Next we have runner-up, DAS Keyboard for Professional. This keyboard is specifically designed for Mac users. It has features that give access to different commands and functions specific to Mac. It also has dedicated media controls for gamers and movie lovers. It can be used on OS other than Mac, but it pairs better with it. Its pros are USB 3.0 Super Speed Hub, has a good tactile response, fast and accurate typing speed, instant sleep button for energy saving, available in Cherry MX Brown and Cherry MX Blue switches. However, magnetic stand underneath is of low quality. Bottom line is, this keyboard offers dedicated media control and is designed specifically for Mac OS X, and it offers a 104-key US layout. Finally, we have Best Overall, Eagletec KG010. The first thing about this keyboard is the design of its switches. They have been custom made and include a metal plate, which gives them rigidity. Another appreciated feature is the extra long USB cable, so you can sit back and type from wherever you feel comfortable. Its pros are 104 conflict-free keys, has an ergonomic design, features blue LED backlight, custom-built mechanical keys offer little resistance, very durable with aircraft-grade aluminum and ABS casing. However, no Linux OS support. Bottom line is, the lettering will not scratch off. The mechanical keys are fast with medium resistance and it's made of aircraft-grade aluminum. There you have it, our top 5 best mechanical keyboards for typing on the market. Check out the links in the description below for detailed information and the latest pricing. If you thought this video was helpful, please smash that like button and consider subscribing. If you didn't, let me know why in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next video.